We're gonna get some baby back ribs on the wood fire today. Now you're gonna say, CJ, you've made ribs on the wood fire before, a couple times. You know what? I want ribs, all right? We got a wood fire. I got a camera, so you're gonna watch again. But if you'd like to watch my other ones, I'll put them subsequently in links above me, right up here. All right, I'm gonna make what I wanna make. Get over it. Now, truthfully, guys, I just want to make some ribs today. I got a new rub from Uncle Steve's Shake. It's called Magic Ribs, so I want to put them on some ribs. I'll put a link down below. But guys, this new shake from Uncle Steve's has got to be one of my new favorite ones. I put this right up there with the top barbecue rubs that we've ever had, so I really suggest you guys get it, okay? It's not just for ribs, but they turned out a mighty good rib, right? I think we're going to do a little bit differently today. We're going to glaze these ribs with a little maple glaze, okay? Got a little hot honey in there, a little maple syrup, a little bacon bits. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna take these ribs hot and fast. We're gonna set our wood fire to 325 degrees. And I'll put the Celsius around here somewhere, right? Get them up to about 165 to 170 internal. Once it gets to that point, we're gonna wrap them up. A little bit of apple juice in there, a little bit of butter. We're gonna wrap it all together and let it finish up till it gets to about 205. Once that happens, we're gonna take them out of the wrapping, get them back on that grill, and then start brushing that glaze on there. Shut that lid, get it tacked up, and ready to roll. Pretty simple stuff to do. I'll have the ingredients and prep down below in the video description if you want to check it out, but you can follow along in the video. We're not, curing cancer here. It's not rocket science, all right? We're just smoking up some ribs. For the pellets we're using Bear Mountain barbecue apple pellets. If you want to check them out, I'll put a link down below. A nice mellow, sweet, smoking wood flavor. I really do like apple woods with my pork products, so that's what we're using today. So what have we done to get us thus far? We had to prep the ribs. So I already took off the membrane. I already chopped off the sides. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Take a paper towel, pull off the back membrane, cut off any scraggly bits, any chopped off bone pieces in there. All right, pretty simple stuff. Again, the videos that I'll put up here have shown me prep ribs before. But we're not gonna hammer it home today. It's just peel that membrane off, or don't. You don't have to. It's no skin off. Well, membrane's kind of a skin, but it's no skin off my back. You do you. We're about to get this thing fired up, but before we do, consider hitting that subscribe button, that bell next to it for all that good wood fire flavor, right? And let's get this thing going. Turn this bad boy on. Hello. How you doing? Go to the smoker mode. I want to take it to 325. Come on. There we go. Timing. Let's go ahead and put it for 4 hours. I don't think we'll need it all, but might as well have it. The wood fire flavor button's already ready to roll. Hit start. Let's go. Come back when the smoke's rolling. Smoke is rolling. Get our ribs on. We're using the XL today. If you're using the OG wood fire, you may have to cut the ribs in half to get it all to fit. We're just putting the one rack on here today. Get that good seasoning and taste test, right? Oh, don't yell at me. I'll shut it when I'm ready. Come on back when those ribs are hitting 165. Smoke is rolling. We got the ribs on. Flavors are hitting it hard, right? We got that good magic rib rub. Got that good apple smoke going, right? Now it's time to go inside and make that glaze. We're gonna get that bacon all rendered down. We're gonna add our maple syrup. Got a little apple juice in there, and we're gonna add a little bit of hot honey. All right, we're gonna get that mixed up and just get it to where it's nice and reduced, and it'll be fabulous. We'll be ready to spread it on our ribs when they're done. Guys, flavor explosion going on today. I hope you're in for it. Guys, let's go. All right, y'all, we're about an hour and a half in. Let these go a little bit longer than I had wanted to. We're temping in the 190s, so I'm gonna wrap these for about a half hour just to get a little braise on them, and then we'll get them glazed up with that maple bacon glaze. Get our rack off here, lay it on that butter, pour a little apple juice on there, go in with a little hot honey. You could omit the hot honey and just use regular honey if you like. And then a little bit more of Uncle Steve's rub in there. that magic ribs. Get it sealed up. Let's get these back on. Like I said, we'll give it another 20-30 minutes to kind of braise through a little bit, and then we'll glaze them up. Guys, we're out here. Got to contend with the sunlight now, but we got our glaze right here. Let's get these out. It's gonna be a little hot. These ribs to the side, then back on. Now it's time to pour that glaze on. Spread out that bacon a little bit so it's all over everything. Tell me that doesn't look like something you want to sink your teeth into. Okay, we're gonna shut it down, let it tack up a little bit, then we'll chop into them. Y'all, you can see that the light is shining right in my eyes right now. Listen, I could take the time to put up the umbrella and kind of cover the spot, but I'm lazy and I want to eat some ribs. So they're done. Let's chop into them. What do you say? Oh, for all you guys that want to know how long something takes, about 2.5 hours, give or take. Okay? Up there. All right, time to get these bad boys off. What do you say? All right, team, I'm gonna try to cast my shadow down on this so I can cut through these ribs. Oh, that bacon fell off. You know I'm gonna stick some bacon back on this thing. It's the only bad thing about doing these glazes with a little extra bacon in there. It'll definitely fall off when you have to turn them over to cut the bones, you know? All right, guys, we got a big old bite, a lot of bacon in the middle. I've already dropped some. Charlie's going nuts right now trying to get out here. Charlie's our little dog out here, so let's take a bite. It's hot. I remember the pepper towel. Damn, that is way too good. Ribs are awesome. You're awesome. Woodfire's awesome. We're all awesome together. If you guys want to get one of these wood fires and be even more awesomer, click the link down below to my affiliate link to Ninja. Doesn't cost you any more to use it, but it helps out your boy. If you guys want to get my wood fire cookbooks, I have 4 of them. They're e-cookbooks. You download them. I'll have links down below for them. They're $5 each, or if you get all 4 in a bundle, it saves you $5 and it's only $15. All right. In those books have a couple of the rib recipes that I've shot. So you have different options of what you can do with your ribs. For knives, cutting boards, merch, all the stuff I use in my videos, the links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love a good bacon covered rib, yeah, works for me. There are 2 ways to join. Either you can hit that Patreon link in my video description or click that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.